SEO is the essential ingredient for online success. It can make the difference between a website that gets tons of traffic and sales and a website that just sits there collecting digital dust. Do you want to apply SEO to your website to rank higher in the search engines? With this free course, you already know the fundamentals. But I can imagine that you would like to learn more about SEO and how to apply it to your website. For those of you who are serious about SEO and want to take the next step, you can check out my premium SEO course. This is the complete step-by-step plan for better rankings, more traffic, and more revenue. It will take you from SEO beginner to SEO pro. In short, it is the complete blueprint to SEO success. My premium course takes you by the hand and shows you step-by-step how to apply SEO to your site. You will get a clever method to find the most successful keywords and outsmart your competition, an overview of the best SEO tools that help you rank faster and higher in the search engines, a secret strategy to get faster results in Google, hardly anyone uses this, all the steps to make your website SEO proof, a complete module on local SEO. This is very important as 46% of searches in Google today have a local search intent, and much more. So if you want to make your website more successful and boost your traffic and revenue, sign up to the full course SEO Made Simple today. You can find a link to the course in the resources. Thanks so much for watching my videos. If you have any questions or feedback, send me a message. I'm happy to help. It would also be awesome if you could leave a review for my course. I would really appreciate it. I wish you the best of luck with your website. Have a great day and take care.